y'all. Ooh, today I am having something a little bit healthy. I'm not saying it's going to be healthy, but it's a little bit healthy. But yeah, I know y'all know that I don't believe in salads, but today we're going to have a salad, I guess. I guess you could maybe call it an amalgamation of vegetables, fruits, nuts, dairy, protein. Yep, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and make it up while y'all watch. But starting out with some baby spring mix. It's a balanced medley of tender baby lettuces and baby greens. So that's what we have here. All right. Pretty. I like the lettuce. And supposedly it's already pre-washed and ready to go. So I'm just gonna take it and run with it. But these are pretty. These are pretty. Lots of lettuce, lots of lettuce. I'm gonna get maximum healthiness. I guess that's a decent base. A little bit more, just for good measure. All right. I will be having several salads in the next few days. Let's see. Okay. Where to begin? I have an apple. I'll be cutting some of that. I have a cucumber. I will be cutting some of that. And my hair's on my table. Get off of there. It's mine, but... Alright. Where's my knife? Let's see. Okay. Alrighty. Let me get the ends. Oop. I don't want you. Let's see. Let me just do half today. Come here. And I'm going to leave the skin. Okay, that's good. Oh, this is probably painful to watch. Painfully slow. That looks good. Okay. Those are big chunks. Nothing wrong with big chunks. It's easier to grab on my fork. Alright. I'll use the rest of that later. Alright. It's a pretty Honeycrisp apple. Oh, this table is not made for cutting stuff. That's for sure. It's not made for cutting things. And this knife isn't either. There we go. Alright, I'll snack on it later, maybe. Maybe. Ooh, that's a pretty apple. Just a little bit of that. Ooh. A little bit more. I want all this apple. Oh, jeepers. Oh, that's not my hair. Thought I got more hair on there. Be speeding this up a little bit here and there. Okay. I think that's all I have to cut for the moment. Oh, I thought these were cherub tomatoes. They're grape tomatoes. Tomatoes. Okay, and here I have maple walnuts, halves and pieces. Okay. Ooh. That's a lot of walnuts. Oh no, spread out. Spread out. Okay. That's enough of that. A little bit of sweet. Pre-boiled eggs because they were in the grocery store, so I was like, why not? I know I could totally have boiled eggs myself, but I'm not that great at peeling eggs. Okay, four's enough. 2 for a snack later, because why not? Yep. Oh, I'm wheezing so bad today. I'm always wheezing. a little bit closer here. I added a lot of egg because I really like eggs. Place that over there. Come here. Napkin. All right. I've got smoked blue cheese. Come on, I want to smell you. Where's the thing? Why won't you open? Ooh, she smells kind of stinky. Okay, I'm not going to use all of that because stop it, Candy. Because I have Marie's chunky blue cheese. I like them big. I like them chunky. You know, I like my blue cheese chunky. All right. Ooh. I pretty much figured I might use this whole thing, but I don't know if I should. If I could get it spread pretty. One more. One more. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. All right. Last item is my croutons. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, that's another part of my salad is carbs. I have some carbs too. Ooh, we are running the gamut here. Okay. All right. That's enough carbs. All right. All right, big old salad. Now, let me get some video of this before I start. Pause. Okay. Now, I was going to try to toss it. Y'all know about tossing the salad, right? You got to toss it good. Don't know if this is going to work, because this is a big old salad. Yeah, it's a big old salad. So how many of y'all are watching The Witcher? Man, love me some Geralt. Ooh-wee. Cannot escape lettuce. Ooh. That may have been a spinach. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I'm watching that, or I've watched that. Really good. I really enjoyed that. This season, that is. Ooh. That's smoky. Blue cheese. Ooh, that hit. Okay, first bite's got some apple, tomato, egg. Oh, this is gonna go all over my face. I just know it. Oh, it's good. Another awesome show I've been watching is Dexter, New Blood. Man. The episodes can't come fast enough. I mean, like, seriously. All of these stems just stick out everywhere. Oh, good. So, there's been good things on the TV. Oh, the walnuts. That was a nice touch. Good job, Candy. stuff on my fork. I'm gonna eat all the lettuce and have all the fixings at the bottom. Mmm. Mmm. Little piece of crouton got me. Ow. Mm. 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 Let's see what else. Been watching a lot of like Christmas movies this past week. I'm filming this today on December 29th. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Apple, walnut. Oh, my apple. Mm. 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 Let's see. What all Christmas movies have we watched so far? A Christmas Story, Elf, Jingle All the Way, Deck the Hall, or Deck the Halls, Four Christmases, A Castle for Christmas, and I'm totally forgetting one. There was another castle involved, I think. Or no, maybe not. Shoot. Oh, Father Christmas Returns.
You forgot Die Hard.
I sure did. We watched that yesterday. It ain't Christmas here till we see Hans Gruber fall off of the Nakatomi Plaza building. Yippee-ki-yay, MF. Nobody can deny that that is a Christmas movie. It's like Christmas everywhere. Mm. Mm. Thank you. Mm. 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 And these maple walnuts are good. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 The Kroger brand croutons are way too hard though. Way too hard. Ouch. Mm. 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 There's still a few movies I'd like to see. I might end up watching them on my own. The main movie I wanted to see this year, it's not really streaming anywhere. Except for like Pluto TV. And that's, with commercials and all that stuff. But for some reason, they won't send me my password reset link. I keep like, send me a reset, and they won't send me anything. But they swear up and down I have an account. But anyway, the movie's Bad Santa. I want to see Bad Santa this year. Oh well. Oh, excuse me. No, and I didn't see The Grinch streaming anywhere. It might be, but I didn't see it. Mm. 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 I'm about to get real here. Mm. Those little croutons are hard. Ouch. Mmm. 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 A cucumber and tomatoes. Mmm. 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 Mm. Mm. It's really good though. Mm. 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 And the apple and the walnuts were a nice addition. Mm. 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 I like cucumber. Mm. 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 Oh yeah, that's good. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's probably hilarious. I'm sitting here eating a salad with a spoon. Man. Mm. I lost something. My goodness. And just to be a little bit funny, it's 6:15. And guess what this is? My first meal of the day. It really is. It really is. I didn't come out here till 5. I was taking my time this morning. And this afternoon. I went in for third sleep today. And it was nice. It was nice. This may be my only meal of the day. Because, you know, obviously there's a lot of moving parts to it. Not really moving, but a lot of parts. And I'm feeling kind of full. Not full at all, though, but it's just, I feel it, you know, starting to sneak up on me. But I'm pretty sure this is going to be my only meal. And if anything, I might have a turkey sandwich. Now, it was leftover Christmas turkey. It was the best turkey ever. It was super, super tender. It was just falling off the bone. Oh my God. Susan outdid herself with that turkey this year. Woo-wee. It was like 10 times better than that smoked turkey I served Nick. I feel bad about that smoked turkey now because this turkey whipped that turkey's butt. Excuse me. Ooh-wee. But yeah, this was a good turkey. I could have put some meat in my salad, but I was like, nah, some eggs. The eggs and the blue cheese is plenty of protein. The walnuts too, I think. I want to Google it. Walnuts protein, I think so. I know they count as a fat, but I'm trying to remember. Oh, 12 grams of protein, nice. Mostly fat though. Little potassium. I got some carbohydrates, fiber, protein. Vitamin B6 is high. Magnesium is high. Ooh, I needed magnesium. I love nuts. I love nuts anyway. This is a really long video. But I tell you what, folks harp on me all the time about eating a salad. And here I am eating a salad. Are y'all watching? Granted, with all the dressing, it's not the healthiest thing in the world, but, you know, I'm not eating a plain salad with just lettuce. Just lettuce, no. Now, dry salad with a little squirt of lemon juice on it. That ain't never happening. I'm sorry. That's not me. One serving is 2 tablespoons at 160 calories each. I didn't count, but it was several tablespoons. Y'all tell me. Mm. 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 All in all, not too bad, considering what I normally eat. There's his blue cheese. I used about half a container. It says there's 5 servings in here at a 1/4 cup a serving. This little thing? Yes. 100 calories per serving. And I used about half, so I'll just say about 300 calories. Not too bad. While I'm at it, serving size 2 tablespoons. Well, obviously I used way too much because these little things are hard and hurt my gums. Ow. It's like eating too many Doritos. But a little serving is 30 calories each. That's not bad. Okay, now the walnuts are calorific. 220 calories for a 1/3 cup serving. And I know I used at least a serving to 2 servings. Oh man. So all in all, not too bad. You know, not that I care, but I know y'all do. I'm not doing this for y'all, I'm doing this for me. I wanted a salad. And I wanted a sweet, savory, creamy, cheesy, fruity, nutty, and delicious salad. This is pretty good. Everything else is great, but it's hard to eat lettuce off a spoon. Oh. Oh, going back to the shows I've been watching. I finished watching Wheel of Time on Amazon Prime, and I thought that was pretty good too. I enjoyed it. I love a good fantasy fiction series. Mm. 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 Whew. Yeah. Mm. 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 The Honeycrisp apple with the cucumber. Mm. It's really tasty. Mm. 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 Ouch, crouton. Mm. 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 I think I have to quit. Ooh-wee. I will nibble on that a little bit. I'm not gonna waste it. No, no way. But I have to stop for now. Mm. Ooh, mercy. I'm like really full right now. Mm. Mm. Oh. Ooh. Excuse me. All right. Mm. Wow. Okay, you guys. That is enough of that for me. But, ooh. Yeah, I needed a salad. Anyway, you guys, thank you for hanging out with me for a little while today. I didn't have a whole lot to talk about other than the food and what's on TV and, but it's almost New Year's Eve tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Getting close, getting close. 2022. Yeah. I'm looking forward to a good year. I'm definitely looking forward to a good new year. And lots of things happening in my life. But you know, it is a time of, I don't know, I guess making changes, being hopeful. You know, there's It's a whole nother year to go around the sun, and anything can happen. Anything's possible. But I love you guys very much. Thanks again for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye now.